Reflexive pronouns. Let's learn how to use them correctly. So what are reflexive pronouns? So we use reflexive pronouns when the subject does something to itself. For example, let's look here. I sprayed myself. So I, the one who got sprayed. Let's look at this. Ugh! I sprayed myself. Next. So here's a little chart for you guys for all the reflexive pronouns. So I turns to myself. You, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. We, because it's plural, ourselves. So it's V-E-S. There's also a you, plural, yourselves. Okay? And then they, themselves. So be careful, there's two yous here. There's you for singular and you for plural. All right, next one. So here's some examples. I hurt myself playing soccer. Or they taught themselves how to cook. So notice there's a verb here, a verb, and then the reflexive pronoun. You cannot put the reflexive pronoun in the beginning. You can't do that. So they taught themselves how to cook. Or he looked, so here's a verb, at himself in the mirror. See, he's looking at himself in the mirror. All right, next. Hey, let's practice. You guys try. He made lunch by, so it's he. He turns to himself. He made lunch by himself. Next one, we painted the room by ourselves. Don't write we self. Ourselves. Great. Next one, I'll do it. It's I, right? I'll do it myself. Thank you. Great. Quick review here. When do we use reflexive pronouns? Usually when we do something to ourselves. Or when a subject does something to itself. Here, let me test you here. What's the reflexive pronoun for they? Well, if you said, do you know it? Themselves. Themselves, there. All right, can you give your own example? They made the cake by themselves. Great, and that's it. What? You want to learn some more? Well, join us in our online grammar course with Head Start learners. Click in the link below and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.